So Bali Maharaj starts preaching about, in this verse 9 of chapter 22, Bali Maharaj describes 7 useless things. Kim atmana nena chahatiyon tata kim rikta hare swajanakya dasyubi kim jayaya samsriti hetu bhuttaya mardyasya gehe kim hihayusho vyaya. Throughout the verse, he says, Kim, Kim, Kim. What is the use? What is the use? What is the use of these various items he lists in sequence? He lists 7 useless things. What is the use of this? What is the use of that? Translation. What is the use of this material body? Kimatmanena anena, which automatically leaves the owner at the end of life. What is the use of one's family members? Swajana, who are actually plunderers taking away money that is useful for the service of the Lord. What is the use of a wife? She's only the source of increasing material conditions. What is the use of family, home, country, and community? They are all useless things. Wife is useless. This body is useless. One's money and wealth is useless. One's family is useless. One's home is useless. One's very place of birth, his country, is useless. And one's city, nation, one's city, village, community is useless. Why are they all useless? Because attachment for these things wastes the valuable energy of one's lifetime. Ayusha vyaya, simply wasting the duration of life. Prabhupada explains how such a statement by Bali Maharaj is extremely frightening to a materialistic person. He becomes horrified to hear such fierce words, ferocious, exaggerated preaching. Prabhupada says the common man does not appreciate such a statement because he thinks that during his lifetime, his family, society, country, body, and relatives are everything. Why should one give up any of them and take shelter of God? Bali Maharaj understood that surrendering to the Lord is the right action for an intelligent person.